we are. This is private beta tour of the Oculus Rift build of ArtGate VR. So, let's do a little tour. My name is Brendon, the co-founder of ArtGate, and Justin has been working around the clock, furiously hacking together this incredible virtual reality gallery. So let's see what he's been up to. He made a sweet marble key here. Got like a black marble going on. Look at the lights and the reflections. Even these hands, look. Got hands. Pretty sweet. And the reflections on the floors, getting those to run on the headsets. Oh man, that's a lot of work. So this is the main lobby here. This is going to be a super private tour. It's not open to the public yet, so you won't see any other people walking around, but once we publicly release this, then there'll be other people exploring galleries together. So this will just be me taking you through a couple spaces. So let's go. So we do have a little bit of a bug right now with the menu, which we're going to sort out, so just bear with me on that. So you can either access all the galleries through the doorways here, and any exhibition that isn't available through the doorway, you can just scroll through the menu and find the exhibition there. Okay. So this is the next level. Gallery spaces for ArtGate. It's crazy. Crazy. Look at that. Boop. Heart of Gold, Nike, Self, Reaper. Got the Monopoly piece going on here. Doesn't matter, you're in VR, so you can touch the artwork. Pawn right here, that turned out so good. Look at, you can even see the reflections of the ceiling off of the piece. Man, that's incredible. Starting to blur the line between real world and virtual worlds right now. The big picture is to one day have the visual experience indistinguishable in VR to the visual experience in the real world. Getting close. What do you think? Blue chip at scale. Yeah. Cast aluminum. This is a real sculpture. Actually stands 8 feet tall in the real world. A little bit of a color adjustment coming up, but this is still private beta. This is a sneak peek. It's going to be more polished before this gets released public, but this is what's coming down the pipeline in the next little while. Got nest egg. Woo! Even just to be able to see the reflections in there, it's awesome.
Do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the pressure to the party. You know me. Turn the 02 into the 03.
Coming your way soon.